Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
I'm here with my niece in this Viking restaurant. I'm here with my girlfriend, my fiancée, is over here as well. She doesn't want to appear on camera, so that's why I'm not showing her on camera. I'm here with my niece, and with her, she is very happy here. We came to this restaurant. We are waiting for the. There is a Viking. He's very angry as well. So here I'm going to show you a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm waiting. I'm going to show you a little bit the restaurant. Hello. There is something. The last time I there is a figurine over there that I that paid a lot my attention at the. Okay, the last time I went here to this restaurant, that figurine paid a lot my attention, but
Somos vikingos!
there are a lot of angry Vikings over here. So this is a real special restaurant, guys. And actually I thought at first that figurine was Gollum, right? I apologize for my ignorance, because that is a kind of wicked dwarf, and he's really interesting. Well, I don't want to. There is a couple here in that table, so I don't want to bother them too much time. So I'm going to continue with my speech over here in the second level of the restaurant. There are some. Here is another room which is opened, right? I didn't record this place the last time, and it's really interesting, guys. And I was showing you recently there was a wicked dwarf in the first level. That was a kind of wicked dwarf, and I want to mention to you guys that there are two words, right, related to these characters, right? Of these here in Spanish, we only have one word for a person which is small, right? A small person, right? Only one word, and we say a diminutive, right? A diminutive to when to differentiate, to make a difference when it's a character and when it's a human being, right? But in English, it's when it's a character, you say dwarf, right? You say dwarf. And when it's a human being, you say a midget, right? That's there's the angry. There is a really angry Viking over there, right? So yes, warriors. We are warriors here, right? That's.
Estás en el Valhalla.
Okay, it's a place where you can have a lot of fun, right? It's really characterized, right? This place, and that wicked dwarf really pays a lot of my attention. I can't stop thinking in that wicked dwarf, because you know, right? Perhaps I have a nightmare with that wicked dwarf, and when it's a character, you call it a dwarf, but when it's a human being, it's a midget, right? That's something I want to explain to you guys. And so we are waiting for the meal here and this in this really nice restaurant. And meanwhile, I took advantage of this moment to make a video, right? And I'm showing you again this really special place, right? It's really interesting. It's plenty of people, right? And it's really interesting. Okay, there was an English speaker lady over there. I asked her for to talk a little bit, but she didn't want. So well, now I'm going to say goodbye. And from a Viking restaurant, guys, from the Viking restaurant. I'm waiting here for the meal, and okay, see you later. Okay, from a Viking restaurant. Okay, the last image will be that wicked dwarf. Okay, bye bye. Okay, that is the meal, guys. It's a barbecue, a Viking barbecue. Perhaps I don't know. It's if it's Viking, right? There is my niece. So okay, now we are going to eat. Bye bye. Okay. Now I can show you this dwarf in a more calm way, because there was a couple in the other moment, and I couldn't focus this figurine, this dwarf from the Viking mythology. And now I can do it calmly, because this table is empty now, and I'm so concerned about that dwarf. I looked up a little bit on the internet about different dwarfs that exist on the different mythologies of different places, right? Actually, in my country, there exists mythological dwarf in the very south of Chile, right? And well, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Now this restaurant is now empty, right? It's dropping down to go empty. There is my niece. Hello. We had the meal recently, and that's all for now. Okay, that wicked. I'll finish showing you guys that wicked dwarf. Bye bye.